Body parts. Shoulder.
Shoulder. Shoulder.
Our arms are attached to our shoulders.
Toes.
Toes. Toes.
Let's do an exercise. Now bend down and touch your toes. Teeth.
Teeth. Teeth.
Teeth are for biting.
Leg.
Leg. Leg.
We jump and run with our legs. Shoulder.
Shoulder. Toes.
Toes.
Teeth.
Teeth.
Leg.
Leg. Back.
Back. Back. Do you like to lie on your back and look at the sky?
Lips.
Lips.
Lips. We kiss people with our lips. Do you brush your teeth?
Back.
Lips.
Lips.
Chin.
Chin. Chin.
She touches her chin as she thinks.
Cheek.
Cheek. Cheek. Can you point to your cheeks? Chin.
Chin.
Cheek.
Cheek. Face.
Face. Face. Our faces change when we are happy, sad, or angry.
Tongue.
Tongue. Tongue. We taste things with our tongues. Face.
Face.
Tongue.
Tongue.
Chin.
Chin.
Cheek.
Cheek.
Fingernails.
Fingernails. Fingernails.
Some people bite their fingernails when they are nervous. Eyebrows.
Eyebrows. Eyebrows.
Can you point to your eyebrow?
Belly button.
Belly button. Your belly
Thumb.
button is right in the middle of your tummy.
We often put our thumbs up when we like something.
Fingernails.
Fingernails.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
Belly button.
Belly button.
Thumb.
Thumb. Index finger.
Index finger.
We often use our index fingers to press on
Skeleton.
doorbells.
Skeleton.
The skeleton is used as a learning tool.
Index finger.
Index finger.
Skeleton.
Skeleton.
Knee.
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 The woman kneels by getting down on her knees.
Waist. waist,
waist,
Can you put your hands on your waist? Neck,
neck, neck,
Can you point to your neck?
beard,
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 Men can trim their beards with a trimmer.
knee,
knee,
Waist,
waist,
neck,
neck,
beard.
beard.